Having great morning to my respected teachers. And I wish a very good morning to my dear friend. Well, this is Arno here on the stage in front of you. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this golden chance. And thank you so much, guys, for coming here and giving me this speech moment. Today, I am so happy and very excited because it's a speech competition. And today, I will talk about parent. What is parent? What's the importance of parent? Today, I will talk about parent. Parents are very important in our life because parents are our precious gift of God for children. And in this time, you have new clothes, you have shoes, you are reading in private school, you are getting to eat food. Do you know how it is possible? Because of your parent. Your parents do very hard work, scorching of sunlight. Have you think any time how much do hard work my parents do? They don't sleep in night because of us. They think how my father, how my son, how my family run. They think always. And according to me, my parents are my life. And parents teach us how to walk, how to talk with elders, and how to behave anyone. And when we go to school, we go come nowhere. We go school and fun. We don't read carefully because we don't know value of money. How much do hard work our parents do? Then they earn 200, 300 money. That's why I think parents are very important in our life. Without parents, we cannot do anything. Parents, I have no more word to express my parents. In last, I want to say something. माँ बाप की दुआ जिंदगी बना देगी, खुद रोएगी मगर आपको हंसा देगी. कि माँ बाप की दुआ जिंदगी बना देगी, खुद रोएगी मगर आपको हंसा देगी. भूल कर माँ बाप को मत रुलाना, कि भूल कर भी माँ बाप को मत रुलाना, क्योंकि आंसू की एक बूंद धरती डुबा देगी. That's it. Thank you so much, guys, for listening me and paying attention. Thank you.
कोई भी मंजिल हो तो माँ का साथ मत छोड़ना, कि कोई भी मंजिल हो तो माँ का साथ मत छोड़ना. अगर अपने जीवन को जन्नत बनाना चाहते हो तो माँ का दिल मत तोड़ना. Having a great morning to my respected teacher, and I wish you very very fantastic morning to my dear friend. Well, this is Neeraj in front of you on the stage. So first of all, thank you so much, sir, for welcoming me on the stage and giving me this wonderful chance. Now, I'm going to talk about mother. What is mother? Do you know, guys, what is the value of mother? Mother is most important in our life. If there is mother, so there is life. So my dear friend, mother is the most important in our life. We should respect our mother and we should care our mother. There is much value of mother in the world. And our mother give us money for doing anything. Our mother convinces us like a teacher. Our mother teaches us like a teacher. Our mother help us. Our mother convinces us. Our mother can teach us. And that's why we should respect our mother and we should care our mother. And that's why I'm saying mother was very important for us and mother is very important for us and mother will be very important for us. I would like to invite speak with a beautiful sari. जिसमें माँ का प्यार न हो वो कोई शोहरत नहीं, कि जिसमें माँ का प्यार न हो वो कोई शोहरत नहीं, दुनिया में माँ से बढ़कर कोई दौलत नहीं. That's it. Thank you so much, everybody.
My name is Ronak and I am from Chowki Bardazamgarh. Today I am here with a topic that is time. Do you know, guys, what is time? Time is very important for us. If we have time, so we can do anything in the world. Like if he has time, so he is very lucky. Because today he has time, if tomorrow he do not have time, so what can he do? It means the time is very important and we must save time. Like somebody says that water is important than time. So is it right? No, it is not right, because I am saying water is important, but water is not important than time. because to drink water we must have time, then we can drink water, and we must save time because, but how to save it? Can we save in any utensil or in any glass jar? No. So how? We have to save by doing work quickly. Like if I have to do any work tomorrow, so that work I have to do today. If I have to do any work today, so that work I have to do now. Then we can save time very easily. Like, and who is here who believe on God? There are so many persons who believe on God. The earth is our goddess. Okay, if the earth is our goddess, the earth also took time to become a very proper earth, to make a person, to make a people, to make a society. And it means everyone need time. Somebody says that God can never stop the time, but even that God can never stop time, because he has made the time and he cannot stop. It means the time was not stopped, the time is not stopped, the time will not be stopped. And the moral of my speech is we must save time for future and for tomorrow. And at the end of my speech I want to say a शायरी. खोई हुई चीजों को याद न कर, जो ना मिले उसका पछताव न कर. खोई हुई चीजों को याद न कर, जो ना मिले उसका पछताव न कर. झुकेगी दुनिया तेरे सामने, बस तू अपने समय को बर्बाद न कर.